Hello friends, today I will talking with you data preparation phase to model data. In this first is how to partition the data in Python. Second, how to balance the training data set in Python. How to build card decision tree using Python. Four is how to build C5.0 decision tree using data. Last one is how to build a random forest using Python. So data modeling, a comprehensive guide. Welcome to comprehensive guide to build successful data model using Python. This presentation will cover the key stages involved in the process from data preparation to model evaluations. Second is data preparation phases. Preparing your data for modeling. First is data partitioning. Second is data cleaning and third is future engineering. So in this first is data partitioning. In this split your data into training, validation and test set for model training, parameter turning and unbased evaluation. Second is data cleaning. In this handling missing value, outlier and inconsistent data format to ensure your model work accurately. Third is future engineering. In this transform raw data into features that improve model performance. This can include scaling, encoding, and creating new features. So, second is partitioning your data. So, first is training set, second is validation set, and third is test set. So, first is training set. In this used to train the model and learn the relationship between feature and the target variable. So second is variable set. In this used to fine tune the model parameter and select the best model configuration. So third is test set. In this used to evaluate the performance of the final model on unseen data, providing unbased assessment. Second is balancing your training data. So in this class balance, when one class is significantly over represented compared to other, it can be base model predictions. Second is balancing technique, method like or sampling. So under sampling and synthesis, data generation can help address this imbalance. Third is evaluation metric. So in this use metric like precision, recall and F1 score to evaluate the performance of your model on imbalanced data. So next, building decision tree. So talking in this card classification and regression tree. So simple and interpretable tree that recursively partition data based on a feature. Second is C5.0 Valence algorithm. So in this more advanced algorithm that considers information gain and learning to create more accurate tree. And second is benefits of tree. Easy to understand, handle both categorical and numerical feature and robots to outlier. In this building random forest. So in this assemble method. Second is bagging. Third is random subspace. So in this first is ensemble method. So in this combine multiple decision tree to improve model performance and reduce variance. Second is beginning. In this bootstrap aggregating creates multiple training set by sampling with replacement. Third is random subspace. In this randomly select feature for each tree to improve diversity and reduce collocation. Next is conclusion. So in this conclusion, data modeling is a iterative process requiring careful data preparation, model selection, and evaluation. Continue exploring advanced technique, fine tune your models, and monitor their performance over time. Thank you for watching this video.